And preparation is key. I'm first meteorologist Elizabeth Copeland again. Thanks for joining us on Sunrise. As of this morning, the 5 a.m. update, if you're just joining us, Idalia now a Category 1 hurricane expected to rapidly intensify this afternoon and become a Category 2 hurricane before becoming a major Category 3 hurricane before landfall on Wednesday morning. So the track is just about the same. The only changes this morning besides the upgrade in a hurricane forecast is that the track has shifted just slightly to the west. Now, there are going to be impacts. Let me just make this very clear all day long. Well outside that cone. The cone matters because where that landfall occurs, the eastern side of that storm will have the most impacts, but those will be devastating, life-threatening. We know that. All of us, though, going to get some sort of impact from this storm, whether it is highly impactful on the eastern side, even the western side, which is technically the weaker side of the storm. Not so weak when you're still experiencing, those 50-mile-per-hour to 60-mile-per-hour sustained winds at times. Life-threatening storm surge still possible. So what does that mean for our area? Well, let's just look at the generic broad effects before we kind of dig down into each area in your neighborhood and expect what we can find. So the general effects here, the more west of the storm you go, the heavier the rain is possible, but occasional gusts that are going to be higher. I mean, this is going to be occasional heavy rain, occasional wind gusts. That's not to say that power outages are not possible. We can still have power outages. We can still have flooding, but the biggest impacts come a little bit closer to the center of that hurricane and eastern side, and of course, those open waters around the Gulf. So Apalachicola Bay and the Gulf of Mexico, we will have not only dangerous surf, but life-threatening rip currents, life-threatening coastal flooding, storm surge. It's not somewhere you want to be trying to check out the storm as it moves in. You want to be well away from that coastline. We already have evacuations, like we've been saying, keeping you up to date on evacuations online all day long. You need to have where your safe place to go is by sunset today. Then we find ourselves already experiencing impacts before that storm even gets to us and well outside that cone. Those are the two major takeaways from this morning. Heavy rain and flooding, tropical storm winds, hurricane winds, sometimes sustained, even possible. Look at that, a Category 1 hurricane even moving inland across our southeast Georgia counties, across Clinch County, and quite a few other counties will be affected by a Category 1 hurricane well inland. So, keep that in mind. This is going to be a very strong storm. Impacts will be widespread. The biggest warning here that we're going to be looking at are storm surge warnings across now Franklin and Wakulla County. That is new this morning from yesterday morning. We have 3 to 6 feet of storm surge. And then the biggest impacts still include Taylor and Dixie County, where we could have life-threatening 7 to 11 feet of storm surge.